Hey guys, so before we begin with today's video, do you remember when I said if we reach 5 likes on either 4-blade, 3-blade, or 2-blade ceiling fan fun, then I was going to post 1-blade ceiling fan fun extra early? Well, unfortunately, we're not even close to that. All 3 of those videos only have 1 like. So how about this? For this video, if you guys are not interested in seeing 1-blade ceiling fan fun, you may dislike the video. If you guys are interested in seeing it, please like the video. And if you guys don't care if I post it or not, please do neither. If this video reaches more likes than dislikes, then I will post the video. If this video reaches more dislikes than likes, I won't post it. And if it's a tie, so example, this video has 3 likes and 3 dislikes, then I will flip a coin off camera and see. And please help me reach 25 subscribers, that's my goal. Alright, I'll be quiet and get to the video. I'm going to be throwing stuff at my ceiling fan. That one almost landed in the toilet. That one almost knocked over one of my pictures. Starting to get into the real deal. Hope I don't die. Other shoe. Last but not least, the Big Daddy, the basketball. See ya.